guys, it's Alisha Ricki back at you with another video, and in today's video I'll be doing a little bit of luxury unboxings. I have something from Versus Versace to show you and also something from Balenciaga. I've never purchased from either of those brands before, so this is going to be super interesting because I have no idea what to expect. So you guys are going to get to see my authentic reactions here for the first time. But before we get started, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I do beauty, fashion, and luxury videos, so if you're into any of that stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, make sure you hit the bell button right next to it so you're notified every single time I upload a video. Okay, so I'm going to unbox the item from Versus Versace first, and by the size of the box you can probably tell that it is a clothing item. I already cut the tape off of it for the interest of time. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to jump right into the unboxing. So I ordered this Versus Versace item from farfetch.com. This is the second time I've ever ordered from Farfetch. I haven't ordered from them in, I want to say, like 2-3 years, and the last time I got something from Alexander Wang was a pair of shoes, and the service was really good. I ordered this and it came in 2 days. So when you open it up, this is what the box looks like. Inside just says Farfetch, and down here you can see it's wrapped in tissue paper. So I'm just gonna open that up now, and this is what it looks like in the box. You can already see what it is. So this is the Versus Versace t-shirt with black, and it has white lettering on it, and I am so glad that this is not actually printed, it's embroidered, so that's really good quality. And guys, this t-shirt was a little bit over $100, so to me it's such a great deal because the Gucci ones are like almost $500, and that's just screen printing, whereas this is actually embroidered lettering. Are you kidding me? So I really love this, and I really think that I'll get a lot of use out of it. It's black and white, I mean, let's be honest. And it's a t-shirt, so I just bought this to style up casually, and maybe even, you know, I like the whole casual chic vibe, so that's what I'm gonna do with this. But so far it feels really good. The material is a little stretchy, but I did get a bigger size because I wanted it to be oversized, so I do think that that's fine. So if you wanted a close fit, I guess you could get your normal size and it will be not too tight. As I said, the material is a little bit stretchy, so that's good. It was on sale. If I can find the link to the same listing on Farfetch, I'll link it to you guys. I'll try to find it other places on the internet for you guys as well, on sale hopefully as well, because like I said, it was a good price. Okay, on to the big purchase now. So this, like I said, is from Balenciaga, but I did order this from Net-a-Porter. That's the only place that I could find the style and colorway that I wanted it. And so yeah, this is what it looks like inside when you open it up. It just has a little Net-a-Porter envelope in here. I think this just has your receipt and a little thank you note as usual, and then the signature Net-a-Porter black tissue paper. Peel it away. Oh look! I wasn't expecting that. That's so cute. So this is a Balenciaga box, and they wrapped it with a nice little Net-a-Porter bow. I wasn't expecting that. That's a cute touch. I really, really love this. Let me just say, I'm not sure how this is gonna go because I thought I ordered the right size because my sister has these in like a slightly different colorway, but I think hers size is European size. Like, we wear the same shoe size, by the way. So I think hers is a European sizes, and on the website I couldn't tell if it was the right size because they were saying that the sizing was in Italian sizing, and I know that Euro sizing and Italian sizing is not the same, so I don't really know. I'm hoping for the best here, but we'll see what happens. So take the top off, back and off. All right, took the top off, and inside you have the Balenciaga dust bag. It's only one dust bag, just in case you're wondering, and then you have the tissue paper. And opening it to reveal the Balenciaga Speed Trainers. Okay, so this is what the shoe looks like. It's a black sock trainer, sock sneaker, whatever you want to call it, and it has the white sole with the black detailing on the front and here in the middle where my finger is here, and then also at the back. My sister has the one that's just plain white at the bottom, but I like the ones that have the little black bits a little bit better because I feel like it adds a little bit of contouring to the shoe. I have big feet, so I prefer to have something that makes it look a little more sleek, a little smaller, and I feel like the little black bits do that, so that's why I got this one. And then it says Balenciaga here on the side. This is what it looks like from the top. It's a very, very sleek, minimal shoe. I feel like it's really cute, and you can get away with styling it up or down. So that's why I really like them. It's like a sneaker, but a little bit more put together, if that makes sense. It's not as casual. And then underneath it's just regular sole. It says Balenciaga. So since they fit, I'm gonna style a little outfit for you guys featuring the Versus Versace t-shirt and these new speed trainers, just to give you guys an idea of the fit of both the sneakers and the t-shirt. And just to run it by you one more time, I'm usually a medium in unisex t-shirts, and I did get a medium because this is a men's t-shirt. So just to give you an idea, so you'll kind of be able to gauge your fit from there. And then the shoes, I'm a US 10, and these are 39 Italian or European. Seems like it's the same thing because they fit. So just so you know, that's what the sizes are. I'm going to try a little outfit on for you guys. So yeah, let's get into it.
My brother being telling my
Alright guys, so that is the look, something super casual and cute that I just threw together really quickly, like literally just now, to give you guys an idea of what the t-shirt fits like and also what the shoes look like on. So I hope you guys found that useful. And I forgot to mention earlier, I did save over $200 on those sneakers using the same method that I used to save money on my Gucci bag. So if you don't know what I'm talking about and you want to find out how to save money on luxury items and these shoes, then definitely click the card up here. I'm going to leave it here so you guys can go check out that video that I'm talking about. I explain in detail how I went about shopping so that I saved the money. Also, if you want me to do an in-depth review on either this t-shirt or the Balenciaga sneakers, definitely leave me a comment down below. Just know it's going to be a couple weeks before that goes up though, because I definitely want to use them and wash the shirt and wear the shoes so I can give you a thorough review. But if you do want to see that, definitely leave me a comment below. And hey, if you made it to the end of this video, make sure you click my face over there and join my YouTube squad. I'd really love to have you back for my next video. And also, since you're still here hanging out, you might as well check out another video. You might as well watch it if you haven't seen it yet. Just saying. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.